Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Transformers birthday decorations is probably one of the most exciting ways to bring the epic battles and heroic characters of the Autobots and Decepticons right into your party space, transforming a regular room into a vibrant celebration zone that will have every fan, young and old, roaring with delight and ready for action-packed fun. Number 5. Transformers birthday party supplies for 16. Get ready for an epic birthday adventure with Optimus Prime and Bumblebee. This all-in-one kit makes party planning a breeze. This set includes dinnerware for 16, featuring plates, napkins, and cups. You'll also find a leak-proof table cover and fun tattoo party favors. Our plates and napkins are made from heavy-duty paper, ensuring they can handle all your party food without any leaks. The included tablecloth measures 54 by 84 inches, providing a comfortable fit for most dining tables. Make the guest of honor feel extra special with the "It's my birthday" button, a perfect accessory to complete their look. Spend less time preparing and more time celebrating. This kit is designed for quick and easy setup and cleanup. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive solution for your party needs, including fun extras like temporary tattoos and a special button for the birthday child. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one package that provides entertainment and a special touch for the guest of honor, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Good quality, sturdy and great size for a small party. Pictures were clear. Good material. And the quantity was correct as well. The plastic table cover successfully protected my wood table from several juice spills. Number 4. Transformers birthday party supplies for 16 guests. Get ready for an epic birthday adventure. Join Optimus Prime and Bumblebee for a celebration that's out of this world. This all-in-one kit has everything you need for a seamless party setup and cleanup. Spend less time prepping and more time celebrating. Serve your guests in style with our complete dinnerware set. It includes plates, napkins, and a special button for the birthday star. Keep your party area clean with our durable and leak-proof tablecloth. It's designed to fit most tables, ensuring a comfortable dining experience. Our plates and napkins are made from high-quality, heavy-duty paper. They can easily hold all your party treats without any leaks. Make the birthday child feel extra special with the included "It's my birthday" button. It's the perfect accessory to celebrate their big day. What we like. This option provides both dinner and cake plates, offering more versatility for serving your guests. If you appreciate having distinct plate sizes for different courses and want officially licensed Transformers merchandise, this set is ideal for a well-organized and authentic celebration. What people say. Great purchase for a birthday party. Color was great. And the quality survived little kids. Great Transformer set, especially since there is such limited products for Transformers. Everything came exactly as pictured and made decorating super easy. The colors were vibrant, and my son was thrilled with how everything looked. Great value and quality, highly recommend for any little Transformers fan. Number 3. Blue Red Black Balloon Arch Garland Kit. Transform any celebration into a memorable event with this comprehensive balloon arch garland kit. It's perfect for adding a festive touch to your special occasions. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, these balloons are built to last and ensure vibrant, long-lasting color. You can trust them to enhance your party's aesthetic without worry. Setting up your balloon garland is a breeze with the included balloon strip kit. We've made it simple to create a beautiful arch without any hassle. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or baby shower, this kit provides the perfect decorative element. It's designed to bring a cheerful and festive atmosphere to any gathering. These balloons can be filled with air or helium, staying inflated for days. Just remember not to overfill them and keep them away from extreme heat or sharp objects for best results. Featuring a striking combination of blue, red, black, and yellow balloons, including confetti options, this kit offers a visually appealing mix for your decorations. What we like. This kit provides a stunning visual centerpiece with a large, impressive balloon arch. If you want to create a dramatic and festive atmosphere with a high-quality, easy-to-assemble decoration that's suitable for various celebrations beyond just birthdays, this is the perfect option. What people say. Confetti balloons were so much fun. And all the balloons lasted for weeks. Very nice balloon arch, made this for my grandson's 5th Transformer birthday party. We assembled this balloon arch 8 days ago today. As you can see, it is still going strong. It has endured an outside party in 100-degree real feels, being left in the back of the truck for 2 hours, accidentally, being drugged back and forth between the shop and my bedroom by a very enthusiastic 4-year-old and the dog running all over it. Honestly, I was just hoping for it to last through the reveal. All in all, I think it has lost maybe 10 balloons, and that happened in the back of the truck. We are very impressed. It took 2 of us about an hour to assemble. We did use a small air compressor with an inflation nozzle. Number 2. Transformers Birthday Party Supplies Decoration Bundle Pack. Get ready for an epic Transformers-themed birthday party. This bundle is perfect for your little Autobot celebration. Keep your party table protected and stylish with 2 durable plastic table covers. They measure 54 by 84 inches, offering plenty of coverage. Add a fun surprise for your guests with a dinosaur sticker sheet. It's a great little extra to make the party even more exciting. Setting up for the party is a breeze with this convenient decoration pack. It has the essentials to get your celebration started. This bundle provides a great foundation for your Transformers birthday party decorations. It's a simple way to bring the theme to life. What we like. This bundle offers 2 durable table covers, providing ample protection for your party surfaces, along with a fun sticker sheet. If you need extra table protection or are looking for a simple, budget-friendly addition to your decorations, especially if a dinosaur theme is also a hit, this is a practical choice. What people say. Good quality. Good thickness. My son went nuts when he saw this tablecloth. Number 1. Red 6-number balloon. Make your birthday celebration unforgettable with this special number balloon. It's perfect for creating a playful backdrop for memorable photos and will surely bring smiles on their special day. This balloon is the ultimate party accessory for any age. You can inflate it with helium for a floating effect or use natural air to hang it up. It's perfect for long-lasting celebrations. It features a vibrant, luminous red hue that creates an enchanting focal point at parties and anniversaries. Elevate your occasion with this dazzling balloon. You can easily inflate or deflate it using a straw. After the party, simply release the air for easy storage and reuse. These balloons are a must-have for your celebration and are super cute too. They make a great focal point and can match any theme or other numbers. Plus, they're an awesome prop to hold while snapping photos to share with all your friends. Capture those special moments with this fun balloon. What we like. This is a striking, large number balloon that makes a bold statement for a specific age. If you're celebrating a milestone birthday and want a standout decoration that's easy to inflate, looks impressive, and can be saved for future use, this is the perfect focal point. What people say. It was easy to blow up and held air really well. The size is perfect for making a statement, whether it's for a birthday or special occasion, and it photographs beautifully. Good size, vibrant color. Fun for party. Easy to fill. Worked great and stayed inflated for weeks. Beautiful color, didn't pop, and seemed sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.